Aloha, guys.
Aloha.
So, okay.
Okay, Ernie.
Okay, you go, girl. So we are here at Waimanalo Beach. Not
Here, none of what you just said.
Well, it's a beach.
Yeah, I guess.
So we're gonna get some shots over here. Bring the dog over. He's pretty excited about it. Really sunny day. It's a little windy though, and some of the waves are big on the way here. It looks like they're not so bad right here. But yeah, can't wait to show you guys. Just got back from the beach. We're making garbage plates. It's a local thing where I'm from in Rochester, New York. You can kind of see it on the hat. The local baseball team, they made it their logo for a couple games a couple seasons ago. So we've got meat sauce that goes on top. It's burger. We got mac salad and home fries. So I'm going to take you through the process. I filmed some video earlier, so we'll go through that, show you how it's made. All right, I'm not going to give away all my secrets. I'll take you through that whole process. So enjoy. What you want?
It's all done except burgers and hot dogs. The rest he just has to pull out and heat up. He made it
You don't
yesterday
know
and this morning. It's like 100. Not always, but he does cook well. I base fed it and he cooks better.
Alright, so this is how you put the plate together. Alright, so you take, I like mac salad, so I'm going to do a big old scoop of mac salad. Boom, right on top. Home fries. Right on top. For those people that don't like their food touching, you're not going to like this because that is absolutely everything that's going on. So you take that, and you're going to get a burger here. You can do burgers or hot dogs. I'm going to do both because I'm spoiled. Spoil myself. Boom, do a little bit of that. I'm going to get a hot dog on here too. Alright. Next up, this is what makes it a plate right here. I'm going to stir in this meat sauce here. Right on top. A good measure. Boom. Next, onions right on top. And to top it off, yeah, a little bit of mustard that goes across. And then you got a little bit of ketchup. This isn't necessarily a standard topping, but I definitely put it on mine. Boom, there you go. How'd we do? Looks good to me. And that's a garbage plate.